think the most important thing to teach the next generation about the Bay would be the effect that human beings have on the quality of the water and the life in the Chesapeake Bay. Kids need to understand that the stuff that we do on the land, has an effect on the water and everything that's going on in the water, and that relationship is important to help them understand.
Have a role to play in the restoration of the Bay. What sorts of things can you do, we do, to help our community, our local community save the Bay? Collaboration, that kind of thing.
I think things that we can do, I think we all have a role in saving the Bay. I agree with that, and just being conscious of it and talking about it and doing what we can to educate people that may not know, about certain things that may have effects or may improve the quality of the Bay. So, we all just need to be conscious about it and not, brush the problem under the carpet. And, everybody has a role in acknowledging that there's a problem and doing something about it.
So, the Bay provides water, it provides, this, a habitat for 3,000 species of plants and animals. How do you think those plants and animals depend on clean water?
The plants and animals in the Bay depend on clean water in so many ways. They need it for drinking. The chemicals and sediments and stuff that come from human beings on the land have negative effects on these animals and plants because they're not used to that stuff. So they need conditions to be as pristine and clean as possible, just like we do, so that the fish and animals thrive and in effect, so do the human beings on the land.
And if you were a mad scientist, what invention would you create to help restore the Bay?
Wow. I would make some sort of material that would stop any more pollutants traveling from the ground or the groundwater or anywhere on the land surface into the Chesapeake Bay. Some sort of technology that can stop any more pollutants from going into the Bay. Maybe so that farming and stormwater and all the stuff that we do on the land surface doesn't contribute any more bad stuff to the Bay. I guess that would include figuring out a way to solve wastewater treatment plant problems, some kind of technology that just cleans water, takes all the pollutants out and puts it somewhere where it's not going to hurt anybody or anything.
All right, last one, Sam. Right now, they say they're halfway to the goal of restoring Chesapeake Bay. They're making good progress. They need to finish the job. Have you seen any improvements in the local community? If not, what sorts of improvements would you like to see?
Well, I think that's great that they say that the Bay has been improved. We're halfway there. I haven't been here that long, but some things that I have seen that are progress, I think, are events like this where the public comes together and they're made aware of the fact that it's important to have clean water. And I think that more discussion, more public interaction, more stuff like concerts and public venues like this for people to learn about the problem with the Chesapeake Bay would be good.